Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play city pop guitar. To begin, focus on understanding the genre's core elements. City pop guitar is a delightful fusion of jazz, funk, and soft rock, creating a distinctively smooth and sophisticated sound. Aim for a clean, bright tone with just a hint of reverb and minimal distortion. A relaxed playing style is crucial to capture that signature laid-back, groovy feel. Let's dive into the details. Next, let's talk about the chords that define city pop. You'll want to heavily feature major 7, minor 7, and dominant 9 chords. These are the backbone of the genre's jazzy harmony. Don't shy away from altered chords and suspensions. They add that extra layer of sophistication. Experiment with different inversions and voicings across the fretboard to create a full, lush sound. Think about how each note contributes to the overall texture. Now, let's get into the rhythm, which is vital for that undeniable city pop groove. Focus on syncopated rhythms and maintaining a consistent, driving 16th note feel. Incorporate palm muting and ghost notes to add percussive elements and enhance the funkiness. Developing a strong sense of time and a steady strumming or picking hand is paramount. Remember, the rhythm section is the heart of the song, so make it count with precision and feel. Finally, let's explore soloing and melodic ideas for city pop guitar. Start with major and minor pentatonic scales, but don't be afraid to incorporate jazzier notes like the major 7 or 9. Focus on melodic phrasing, using tasteful bends, smooth slides, and expressive vibrato to make your solos sing. Remember, it's about crafting memorable melodies, not just shredding. For more great resources and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below this video. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing those smooth city pop lines in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.